Welcome to KaizerChiefs channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button and help us grow. For breaking news, please visit our website on www.KaizerChiefs.co.za. Tada. This is KaizerChiefs channel. We are here at FNB Stadium, KaizerChiefs 2, Sekhukhune United 0. My brother, kunjani futhi?
Ngiyaphila kunjani bhuti wami?
Siyaphila man. Yibona njani game namhlanje?
Yazi igame yami namhlanje ne. First of all, let me thank the supporters who came out and thank Ukemiso came to the fans and appreciate the fans for coming.
Number one.
Yeah, number one. Yeah, she said it's too cold, guys. You coming to watch the team. It shows the love of the team. And coming back to the game, my brother, today we played with wingers. We didn't have a number 10.
Yeah.
But what happened was Phili was drifting in as a number 10, Apume Gungenu Upure as a number 10.
Yeah.
So they were changing. And then for show something, if those who saw John Shoes Moshoeu Adlala, not Dr. Kumalo in the middle, you'll tell the way Ulona Shenchanga Kona Langelish. He reminds me of John Shoes Moshoeu. Yes, he's almost there. He's almost there.
Yeah.
So I was appealing to the Kosi fans to say that's our shoes. Right there. That's our shoes. John Shoes Moshoeu. Yes.
Yeah.
And to the coach as well. The coach was spot on. And then even against the Arrows, the game that we lost, he was spot on. It's just that we didn't convert our chances. You look at second half when the team we came back from the second half. But first half, towards the end of the half, we were frustrated because the team was flat. Come second half, it shows that the coach said something to the boys in the dressing room that you see these people, they came to watch you, so you need to lift up your game. The boys came to the party. And guys, let me appeal again to the supporters. Remember what Stuart Baxter did in his first season. He lost the MTN 8 and he went on to win us the league. So let's support the coach. I'm not saying that we're going all the way to win. We're going to lose some games.
Exactly,
but we need to accept that, yes, we lost the game. I rather lose the game like playing, like showing the hunger than lose the game and saying, but the boys didn't come to the party. But if they played like this, like the way they played second half, I will be happy. Even if they lose the game, I will say, but we lost the game. But they showed us that we are here to fight for the patch. As long as the boys are fighting for the patch, I'm happy with that. And coming to Saturday's game, let's come in numbers, guys. Let's come and support the boys. The coach is not scared to play the boys. And today there was an unsung hero. People never realized that we had our development player on the left back, and that boy he played very well. Why people didn't realize it? Because he played like he's been playing in the first team all along. And he came late, but he changed the game. You could see that he was going down the line and bringing in the crosses for Igodaro.
Exactly.
Yes, we still have players that are injured. There's the Mayos, the Chislets that are still coming to the team. But now our coach is not scared to play these youngsters. Look how many youngsters that he played today from our development. So that's what we've been crying for from the other coaches. I'm not saying they were bad, but play our players. Let's see them, give them the chance, so that tomorrow we can say Mfundo didn't play, but he got the chance. But if you don't give them the chance, we will keep on screaming at you, so that you can give them the chance. These boys deserve the chance because Chiefs is developing them to play for the first team. Thank you, my brother.
Thank you so much, my brother. Congratulations. Hola.